Welcome to this demonstration video of Smart Bollards by London Studios. Smart Bollards adds a realistic vehicle bollard system with extensive permission support and an easy menu allowing you to add new locations with ease. Using Smart Bollards is easy, and we've already pre-configured over 50 locations around the map, including at police, fire and ambulance stations for you to use straight out of the box. As you can see, this bollard set is currently closed and blocking access to vehicles down this pedestrian area. With permissions set up specifically for police vehicles on this bollard set, I can approach the bollards which will open for my vehicles to pass through. As you can see, the bollards are lowering and the light will turn green, signifying that they are ready to cross. Once I have crossed the bollards, they will immediately raise and block access to the pedestrian area again. So that's not the only way that bollards can be opened. Each bollard set also has the ability to use a pin code, meaning a control room on your server can give a player a one-time code to open the bollard. To do this, walk up to the bollard terminal and use the on-screen prompt to press E, typing in the 4-digit code, which in this case I've set to 1234 for this bollard set. This then lowers the bollard code until the pin code is re-entered again, but can also be configured to be open for a specific amount of time, rather than until the pin code is entered. So I'll open up this bollard set one more time, and then I'll show you how we can set up a new set with Smart Bollards. Smart Bollards has an advanced permission system which works using permission groups in our configuration file. Each configuration group has different permissions, which has different access routes, including vehicle model names, job types with frameworks, or even ACE permissions, meaning you can restrict access to only those who need it on your server. So now I've shown you how to use a bollard set, I'll show you how to set one up using our easy to use in-game menu, which is accessible once you turn on developer mode in our configuration file. To add a new location, use /bollards create and specify the name of this bollard set, which will assist you in editing them and deleting them around the map when required. I'm going to name this bollard set Bus Station, as we're at the bus station on the map. So this brings up the on-screen menu, which shows us the different props that we can place down. This includes a static bollard which doesn't move, a mobile bollard which raises up and down, and two types of signal posts, one which has a bollard at the bottom of it. And as you can also see, I'm in an object spooner mode, allowing me to fly around and assist with prop placement. I'm also able to toggle out of this mode by selecting the toggle no clip option, and still have the same spooner on screen, just without the flying option. So next, I'm going to begin to place all the desired props in the right places, starting with a static bollard on either side, and then having a mobile bollard towards the middle. The best part of this object spooner mode is that you're able to move around the objects by simply pressing on them and dragging them around. So as you see, I'll add a few static bollards to either side, and then I'm going to use my arrow keys to navigate around the menu and select a mobile bollard. So these mobile bollards will be the ones that lift up and down, and so should be placed centrally on your bollard set generally, but can be adapted to your server's liking. So once you're happy with the placement of your bollards, you will confirm the set. Well, I should add a signal post first on either side. And to rotate the prop, you hold down R. Once you're happy with the placement of your props, go down and press Save Changes, and you'll then get a few on-screen questions, starting with the enter the proximity range for the bollards to lower, which is the default at 6. Happy with that? 4-digit pin code, or you can do 0 to disable it, and then the time before rising after the pin code. So if you set this to -1, it will disable this option, and it will mean that after you enter the pin code, they'll stay down permanently until the pin code is entered again. Or by entering a set amount of time here in milliseconds, it will stay down until then. Next, you can enter your permission set groups. So you may want to enter police, ambulance or fire, depending on the groups that you've set up in our configuration file. remembering that each group can have its own set of job types, vehicles and ACE permissions. So I'm going to set all to disable it on this set. As you can see, this set has now been created in real time and will begin to work straight away, which I'll demonstrate here after I enter my vehicle. As you can see, the bollards have lowered as I've approached them and will begin to change to green on the terminal. They will rise as soon as I've entered as well, and these will begin to be synced with all players. In addition, this new bollard set will be saved to the JSON file and will be saved after you restart your server, meaning no manual copying and pasting into our configuration file. Smart Bollards is the resource you need to take your server to the next level. It's compatible with all frameworks and works completely standalone, meaning whatever your server type, Smart Bollards is the one for you. To purchase this resource, head to our store at store.londonstudios.net or by pressing the link in the video description. If you need any help after purchasing, start by reading our documentation at docs.londonstudios.net or reach out to our friendly support team at support.londonstudios.net. Thank you for watching this demonstration video of Smart Bollards by London Studios. We cannot wait to hear your feedback and suggestions for improvements on this amazing resource. Thank you.